Hi everybody, today I'm going to be reading the story, Monkey Puzzle. I wonder what this story might be about. The author of this story is Julia Donaldson. She's the person that wrote the story. And the illustrator is Axel Scheffler. He's the person that drew the pictures. Let's take a peek inside. Ooh, it looks like we're going to the jungle. What animals do you see? Monkey puzzle. I've lost my mom. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. No, no, no. That's an elephant. My mom isn't a great gray hunk. She hasn't got tusks and a curly trunk. She doesn't have great big, thick, baggy knees. And anyways, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, 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 that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. No, 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 that's a spider. My mom isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees? You should have said, your mom's hiding above your head. No, 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 that's a parrot. Mom's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mom leaps and springs. I wonder why Butterfly doesn't know what his mom looks like. I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. No, no, no. That's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, no, no! That's a bat! Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mom's not little? Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, no, no! That's the elephant again! Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looks like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see. None of my babies look like me. She looks like you? Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad! Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mom! I'm so glad little monkey was able to find his mom. Why didn't Butterfly understand that Mommy Monkey looked like Baby Monkey? It's because a butterfly's babies are caterpillars and they don't look like a butterfly, where most animals' babies look just like them but smaller. Thanks for joining me today and reading Monkey Puzzle. Bye!